Hey, that guy hasn't come back.
I know he hasn't came back yet.
I bet he's like walking up people here.
Yeah, there's some morons.
Hey, isn't that guy next door to those people, girls over there? Yeah, he is.
Somebody's pointing a flashlight over here.
Yeah, they have a
There's
flashlight.
4 or 5.
There's like, dude, we got like 5 people doing it, dude.
Hey, come on, let's go back to the Techno. Come on.
Wait, we're gonna
Hey, who's gonna
burn
flash
the
it?
I know.
Hey, then use that one. Here, I got it. Come on.
Oh, that's
Strobe
good.
light. Use the one in the middle.
Oh, yeah. He's the one in the middle now.
Put this back on.
Yeah, alright. Hold on.
He's all big. Shit.
Hey, scroll it back in. Hold on.
Hey,
Stop, scroll it back in.
but hey, how you want me to do it? Strobe light or like?
Just do it like you were doing it.
Just do it like this. Alright, come on. Yeah.
Whoa.
Hey, look freaky.
Oh, look, they're all dancing.
1, 2, 3. Damn. We are sensation.
Dude, we should stop, like, just stop this bunch of viejas, dude. I mean, ladies. Sorry about that, not viejas. Watch we get an announcement tomorrow at service. Y'all need to stop flashing those lights across the building.
Man, I'm
Oh, look, it's perfect.
dude,
You catching it?
I'm gonna like bust
Yeah.
out laughing and make that happen.
Damn, it's a
Dude, it's only 2:01.
I don't care, we're sensations. Come on. Hey, come on, let's do one.
Keep going, a little bit more. I like it when they flash.
Dude, you got a crystal clear image. I don't, dude. This stinking phone suck.
This camera's old too.
Alright,
I had this camera for like 2
more.
years already.
Hey, you do a thing like
Yeah, do it again,
this,
do it again.
like-
Why you hit me? You hit me.
My bad.
You hit me. Turn it up.
Turn up.
That dude still never came back. I know,
It's gonna come on.
He went to go snitch. I know he did. Whoever that was, though.
right? Hey, watch brother Robert, Madu, Michael Fernandez, what's
What
his
the
name?
heck is wrong with these guys?
Rosalio, what's his name? Martinez, what's all of them?
Oh my god, the heck is this? Alright. Hey, two more techno scenes. Come on.
His nigga's over here shirtless.
Shut up.
Alright, come on. 2 more techno scenes, guys. Alright, I'm ready. I'll call this one now. Alright, I'm ready. Hey, dude, get behind us.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
I'm sitting on your phone. Alright.
Oh,
Damn, there is a couple.
somebody's on the phone pointing at us.
Yeah, dude. That's it. Game over, dude.
Game over. It was like.
Did you record us?
It's game over.
Show's over, everybody.
Hey, yeah, delete that stuff. Hey, delete. Yeah, you might want to delete it.
I'll take out the memory card. I'm gonna take out the memory card. It's in the memory card. Nah, I bought the thing without memory card. You can look at my pictures. Because my camera holds extra photos. But since I put these on my memory card, it's not going to save on my camera.
Being all smart and stuff. So we just pulled off the biggest prank in vernacular history. We're the best, dude.
Wait.
Hey, somebody had to go to sleep and then David and I just iron our clothes.
Yeah, we're just going to iron our clothes and we're just going to knock out.
Where's the light?
I wonder how much time I have left on here. It's on the wall. Wait, let him turn on the light.
Yeah, turn on the light, dude.
I got it.
Damn, dude. Dude, it's too deep.
Yeah, no, he was like on the phone, he was like pointing like that, and he just put it in the jacket.
Hey, hold on. Just one more time with that.
No, one more.
No, it's not chill.
Hey, yeah, just, no, you can't peek through. Just peek through on the other side, dude. That's not the window.
This is the wall.
I want to get a peek in that shit. Don't turn on the light anymore.
Yeah, don't tell nothing. Hey.
Barely over it, dude.
Whose clothes is this?
Dude, there's people looking like crap like they're flashing a whole bunch of lights.
It's
Wait.
still flashing, huh?
Yeah.
They want us to keep.
Wait,
I
what am I
wonder if there's other
Somebody's
people
dancing up there,
flashing
dude.
over here.
Huh?
That means-
Somebody's dancing up there.
Up there. I can't record it.
Oh, dude, he's looking right here. That dude. And there's a crap load of people.
They're still doing it, huh?
Yeah. I wonder how much people got on this side. There's people watching all over the place. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think so, man.
Alright, hey, come on, he's done.
And the,
YouTube sensation.
Hey, keep this on the down low.
This is what us, dude.
Don't tell anybody here at church. Don't put it on YouTube. So don't put it. Delete it, dude. Delete everything.